Hi everybody and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit that subscribe button before you leave. So today's tutorial is I'm gonna do like a bluish eyeshadow look, and I'm going to take you guys along. So if you guys are keen to see how I create this look over here, don't forget to keep obviously. So I'm starting with a base for my eyes. It's very important if you work with eyeshadows to start on a clear canvas. So I'm using the Fast Base Revolution foundation stick, and I'm going to apply that all over my lid, guys. This is very important. I'm blending it out with a beauty blender or a sponge, and then I also go over that with a concealer, the Revlon Candid Concealer, because I felt that was a little bit too thick, so I went over with the concealer. So now I'm going to start with this Rimmel eyeshadow palette, and I'm using the blue, and I'm going to apply the blue all over my crease, guys, all over my crease. It's gonna look funny when you are done applying to your crease because it's not blended, but what you want to do, you want to apply that to your crease, and moving in patting motions is very important, that you pat and not sweep, if you know what I mean, because remember, we didn't set the eyelids. So if you are going to sweep, Macy, it's gonna be a mess. It's gonna be a huge mess. So I'm going to go into patting motions, guys. Anyway, I really like this eyeshadow palette. I have it for a while now. I think almost 2 years, and I don't know why the blue eyeshadow was beginning to get a little bit patchy. I don't know why when I blended it out, but now I'm going into this Scarlet Hill eyeshadow palette. I will list everything down below. So I'm going to go into that neutral shade, and then I just apply that to my brow bone, and just obviously just set it before I blend it out, and then I go into another brush and just blend until I do not see a harsh line. And as you guys can see, as I started blending, the eyeshadow was beginning to get a little bit patchy, like not even a little bit, a lot, but I was just being patient. It's very important to be patient, and obviously do not stress. You just trust the process. So now I'm going to go into this Makeup Revolution Pro HD eyeshadow palette. I think this is 35 colors, and I'm using the black shade, and I'm going to apply the black shade on the outer part of my eye. And this is really a great trick if you don't have a really darker color. For example, for me, I do not have a dark blue, which I should have used. But if you do not have a dark blue or a dark pink or whatever color you want to create, you can go into a black, and that will intensify the look. It will definitely give the look a little bit more oomph, make it more dramatic. So that is actually a really great trick, because most of the times when I wanted to do a dramatic look and then I do not have a darker color in that color that I'm doing, so then I just feel like no. So this is really a nice trick, guys. Just when you work with a black color, you need to be very light with the pickup. So you need to work with a light hand. You are going to apply a little bit of black and blend it out, and then apply a little bit more and blend it out. So you're going to blend, pick it up, blend, take more color, blend. So yeah, and that is what I am working with. As you can see, it's not exactly like blended, but I am going to go into the blending brush even more as soon as I'm done with that, or where I see that I need more blending, I'm going to do that. So now I'm just taking a wipe and clean under my eyes, and also where I'm going to cut my crease, and then yeah, that's what I'm doing. Yeah, you guys, I'm not gonna show you guys how I cut my crease because obviously the crease cutting, it really takes a while. Not a while, but it takes about 5 minutes each to cut my crease. So that's why I just speed that process up, and then I go into the first shade that I use, which is the blue, and I put it on to next to the dark color, the black, and then I go into the Scarlet palette again, and I'm going to take that beautiful, guys, this shade is so beautiful. This blue is so beautiful. I love the Scarlet palette, guys. It is so beautiful. This palette is, and the quality is so good. I bought it for $150. Obviously Mr. Price, Scarlet is the Mr. Price brand. So yes, and then I just go, as you saw just now, I just spritz a little bit of setting spray on my brush after I picked up the color, and then I'm going to apply that in the inner part of my eye, wherever where I cut the crease. I'm going to apply that. This is really, I love this palette so much, guys. Sure, it is so beautiful. The shimmers is so beautiful. I think they have, yes, they have they have a few shimmer shades in there. And guys, here's my baba. He just woke up, and my beautiful baby, he just woke up, so I just wanted to show you guys. He's getting big so quickly, 9 months. But yes, let's get back to the tutorial, guys. So now I'm taking this round small brush, I would say. I'm going to take the black, and I'm going to like carve above the crease. You'll see what I'm going to do, and that makes a world of a difference. If you work with very dark shades, it makes a world of a difference, guys. So this is, yes, so as you can see, it looks like that. Really, you would see, actually, before you apply your foundation, the eyes might look a little bit dramatic or whatever, but just apply your foundation, apply whatever your face makeup, and you will see it's going to work out perfectly. So now I'm just going to go into this Revlon foundation, Colorstay. And guys, this foundation, I love this foundation so much, because it's full coverage. And you know, in the beginning when I actually bought this foundation, I didn't like it so much because it was really thick on inconsistency, and I don't really love thick consistency foundations. And yeah, it is also matte, but it's not drying, which I love because I really have a really dry face. So that's why I just apply that with a brush first, and then I'm going to go into a sponge. It's really important to apply it with the brush first, because this foundation is really like thick. It's really thick, so you need to go into a brush first and then the foundation stick. Guys, just ignore whoever is in the background. But yes, guys, I'm just applying with the and in there David wants to hide, but anyways, yes, and now I'm just applying it, blend it out with the foundation sponge. And then yes, now I'm going to contour, and guys, just ignore my background, guys. It's a little bit wild. Just ignore that. So for a while now, I like to contour my face first and then go into my concealer, and I really love this because even if you over contour, then you can fix that with the concealer. But if you apply the concealer afterwards, it's going to be difficult to even fix that. So that's why I just apply that Pro.concealer wherever where I contour, and then I blend it out with the sponge. And that's what I'm doing, guys. After that, I'm just gonna conceal my face / highlight. So yeah, guys, just ignore my background, guys. It was a crazy day, and it was a crazy day, and they just playing in the background and do whatever they are doing. But let's continue with this tutorial. So yes, I'm just like blending, guys. Blending your contour do take a while, so please be patient. Blend, just blend, it'll get a perfect contour. So now I'm just applying my concealer. This is the Revlon Candid Concealer. I love this concealer, guys. I love this concealer. It's medium coverage, and I just applied wherever that I normally applied it, under my eyes, sides of my nose, my chin, forehead, and so on and so on. And then I just blend it out. And for this, you don't wanna sweep or anything like that. You just wanna push the product into your skin. It's really important. And lately I love to conceal around like my mouth, but the way that I applied it, as you saw just now, I love to apply it like that. It really brings another je ne sais quoi to your face. So now I'm just going into the first blue color that I used. And guys, I didn't set my face first. I wanted to see how this is gonna look, so I just applied my concealer and then I went into the blue in patting motions. It's really important to go in patting motions if you didn't set your face. It's really important because you're gonna make a mess if you sweep and your face don't have powder on it. So it is really important. Pat. Remember that, pat. So now I saw that my under eyes was beginning to crease, so that's why I went into the powder as soon as I could. So yes, I was just setting my whole face, guys. Also, what I do lately is I set my whole face with a translucent powder, because usually I just I went into the powder on under my eyes or wherever where I applied my concealer, but lately I'm applying it all over my face. It makes a world of a difference, just to like your face look so airbrushed, guys. It looks so nice. So I think this is very nice. Oh guys, I didn't know this is gonna be on camera, guys. So yes, you are my ears, guys. But anyways, now I'm going into the black shade, and this is really important just for like to finish off the eyes. I'm going to go into that black shade, apply it on the outer part of my face, and then I'm going into the Scarlet palette again. And now I'm going to use that pretty green and apply it in the inner part of my eye, or yeah, on the inner to the middle part of my eye. I'm going to apply that green there. Very pretty. I love this eye look, guys. So I also just spritz a little bit of that setting spray, and when you apply setting spray or even water to any shimmer, it's gonna make the shimmer pop. It's gonna make the shimmer pop, guys. It's gonna make the shimmer pop. So yes, try that next time. Very pretty. Now I'm going to go into the first palette that we use, that is the Rimmel Eyeshadow Palette, and I'm using the yellow. I'm going to use the yellow shade, and I'm going to pop that yellow shade in the inner corner, guys. So beautiful, so beautiful. I'm also gonna pop that on my brow bone as well. Oh my gosh, guys, like inner eyeshadow, it looks so pretty, and it also just finish off the look. So now I'm just gonna finish off my face, and I'm going to apply a bronzer, and I'm going to apply that bronzer where I applied my contour. And for me, guys, I feel like my face never like looks complete without a bronzer. I don't know about you guys, but that's just me. Whenever I do not apply a bronzer and only a contour, I'm always like, something is missing. There's something missing. So yes, guys, so I'm not gonna do a contour. And as you guys can see now, because my whole face is set, I can go into the bronzer, and I can sweep like I'm doing now, because my whole face is set. There's not anything that's not set in place on my face. So yeah, so I just love this look, guys. And also what I also learned, that never judge a makeup look when your lips is not done, because believe me that your lips makes a world of a difference, guys. I'm just applying my highlight. I'm using the highlight that I always use, and this is the WetnWild highlighting powder. I'm gonna list everything down below. So I'm just applying my highlight where I normally do, and that is on the cheekbones, and also forehead, nose, and what do you call this, cupid's bow above my lip. So yes, and then I always go into my sponge again, just to make sure that my highlight is like blended. So guys, the lips, I applied the lippy that I always use. This is the L'Oreal, and then I go over that with a concealer and then a gloss. I'll list everything down below, guys. This is the final result. I really love this look, guys. I loved it. It looks so beautiful, dramatic, but also like wearable. I would wear this. It looks so beautiful. Thank you guys so much for watching. I can't really describe how I love this look, guys. The sage is so beautiful. But thank you so much for watching, guys. I love you guys so much. Till I see you guys in my next one. Bye bye.